What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Asphalt Cowboyz TV. And today, Cory's on fucking time. So we're gonna get to the track early. Car's here. Car's there. What's up?
What's up?
How you doing, brother?
Oh, it's gonna be great.
It's gonna be a fucking wild time. I'm ready. I'm as ready as you are. Yeah. So we're waiting on staff. We're waiting on the dog to do his business, and then we're gonna take the fuck off. So I'm ready. It's a real nice stream, bud. The other side got a bunch of soap on it.
Just like in the fender creases and stuff. Put it like over the back windshield. Not the back windshield, like the rear window. It's working its way down.
Aw, fuck, dude, it's starting to rain. This is shit, man. You gonna be alright with that? Oh, dude, just our luck. The sun just came back. Welcome to Pittsburgh. Alright, so we've made it to the track. My car is bruised as shit on all four corners, so yeah, we're gonna have to go and tighten that down before we leave. Yeah. Very nice.
That's funny. Alright, what do you have to say?
You're not supposed to be able to do that type of thing, so. Yo, dude, look at this. Push my car forward.
She had multiple straps.
Oh yeah, and we got a block under it that's not really doing anything.
Yeah, it just comes off. Look how loose it is. That's what happened.
Alright, so we've got Cory unloading the truck, and the car somewhat made it off. Super good turnout. Gonna be a really, really nice day out.
Just me? Nah, it definitely hits different. I can't wait for the second bass drop.
So someone hit a guardrail here and they're trying to fix it, and we can't drive until it's fixed, so we're eating.
They made you guys nachos instead of look at this. There's no much shit on it.
Replace it now, so it's gonna be like 20 minutes, but it's gonna be like $380.
How much?
Like $380.
That's cheaper than we expected. The bike's looking pimp. I got a red one of these.
You do?
Yeah.
Can I buy it off you?
No.
Close your eyes, shut your mouth, dream a dream, get us out. Dream, 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 dream. Hit the hay, fast asleep, dream a dream, a little leap. Dream, 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 dream. Hit the hay, fast asleep, dream a dream, a little leap. Dream, 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 dream.
Oh, sorry, John. Yeah, dude! Woo!
It's
Alright guys, so that wraps up a day at Pitt Race. It was eventful. Tony's car, we need to tighten the flywheel bolts on that, so that's a thing for Erie. Thank God it happened here and not at a 3-day event. Really, it was a great time. So what are they supposed to do, guys? Benji, what do they do?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
And you heard the man himself, so do it. We'll see you next time. Love you. Bye.
Don't even tell me you love me.
Dude, I couldn't stop. That's totally